पहले आप ये बताओ, आप जेंट्स हो या लेडीज़, तो मैं उस हिसाब से बात करूं।
A different kind of gender reveal. Today, I take you to heaven on earth, to the beautiful Kashmir Valley. I was fortunate to visit this amazing places in Kashmir: Srinagar, Gurez Valley, Kupwara, Tandar, Titwal, the last village. Some of these names are much more popular on news channels than travel channels, unfortunately. But still, unbeatable beauty and wonderful people everywhere. On this particular day, I was leaving Srinagar and moving in the direction of Shupiyan. In case you don't know, Shupiyan is called Apple Town of Kashmir. The whole village is full of apple orchards. And very, very near to this is amazingly wonderful waterfall called Aharbal. So that was on my agenda, to see the beautiful apple orchards and visit this grand waterfall of Aharbal. It was a clear sky day and I was enjoying my ride on this amazing national highway that connects Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Later in the afternoon, as soon as I took an exit to go to my destination in Shopian, a cop suddenly jumped in front of me, stopping me and asking me all kind of questions. Where are you coming from? Who are you? Where are you going? What is your agenda? Of course, I was covered from head to toe and I kept answering those questions as and when they arrived. Still, when he asked me, tell me, are you a man or a woman? So I talked to you accordingly. I was shaken for a minute. I simply took off my helmet, smiled and said, Bhaiya, ladki hoon. Sir, I'm a woman. I don't know, because I was a woman or I was smiling or I seemed harmless. He calmed down a bit and just guided me, saying, Madam, don't take this route for today. It's not very safe at this point of time, especially for a solo woman rider. I said, yes, sir. No compromise on security, no arguments about it. And I moved on to a next destination. But the incident sure made me wonder, what if I was a solo man rider on that particular day? Would the cop have been more suspicious and more strict with me? Or he would have been much more confident to let me go because probably a man can handle such situations better? I would never know. And you know what? Many a times we don't know if we are a victim or a victor because of having a particular gender. Sometimes it is great being a woman, and sometimes it is not. But let me tell you a secret: the same logic applies to man, and for that matter, any other gender. I sure have enjoyed my ladies' quota in buses and government offices and many other places. But I also remember the frustration inside me from my corporate days, when constantly I was under this so-called class ceiling. Traveling across India, I learned this wonderful lesson about gender biases. People will treat you the way they want, sometimes with derogatory remarks like, you are a woman, you shouldn't be doing this, and sometimes with hero worship. Oh, you are doing this in spite of being a woman. At the end of the day, it comes down to us. If we really want to let it affect us, our decisions, our day-to-day life, our mental peace. Do you agree with my observation? Do you have any specific instances where you are either cursing or enjoying being the gender you are? Do let me know in comments. Meanwhile, if these biases are troubling you and you feel you need help breaking those barriers, do connect for one-to-one coaching sessions on given details. Happy to help. Remember, men will be men and women will be women. Nothing wrong with being either. So enjoy who you are. And I'll see you next Sunday from a new place with a new story. Ta-da!